Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Slack account, specifically how to deactivate your presence and remove your data from a workspace. Step 1. Navigate to Workspace Settings. To begin the deletion process, you need to move from the chat interface into the administrative backend where your account data is managed. Click the gear icon, Admin Tools, in the left sidebar and select Workspace Settings. This will open the Settings and Permissions page in your web browser. This page is the command center for your workspace. While it looks like you're managing the whole team, your personal account controls are linked here as well. Step 2. Switch to Account Settings. Once you are on the Settings and Permissions page, you need to pivot from Workspace Settings to your personal account settings. Look at the bottom left corner of the browser page, click on your profile picture, and select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. This is a crucial jump. The Settings and Permissions page defaults to workspace-wide configurations, but Account Settings is the specific page that handles your individual identity, password, and deactivation options for this workspace. Step 3. Deactivate and confirm. Now that you are on the correct page, you can trigger the permanent removal of your access. Scroll to the very bottom of the Settings tab to find the Deactivate Account section. Click the button, enter your password when prompted, and confirm the final Yes, Deactivate My Account pop-up. In 2026, deactivation is the immediate way to kill your access and hide your profile. To make it permanent regarding your data, you should follow up by messaging the primary owner, whose contact info is listed back on the Workspace Settings page, to request they delete profile information. This wipes your name, email, and photo from Slack's servers for good. And that's pretty much it. To delete your account, go to Admin, Workspace Settings, switch to Account Settings via your profile icon in the browser, and click Deactivate Account at the bottom of the page. Once deactivated, ask your workspace owner to delete profile information to ensure your personal data is scrubbed from the system. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.